Okay, so in this segment we're talking about reflections. However, instead of the y-axis, we're talking about reflections over the x-axis. Keep in mind, a reflection is just like saying where would a fold on a piece of paper be to make an object appear on one side of the fold be exactly the same as the other. So in this example, we're talking all x-axis. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight the x-axis here on our first problem. Okay. Number one, it's asking to reflect this point A across the x-axis. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start here. This is the line of reflection, or where we're reflecting across the x-axis. I'm going to count to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know it's 4 spaces away from the line of reflection. I'm going to do that, except I'm going to count the opposite way. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll make my point right here. And just like in the previous example, we're going to label that A prime, okay, or just the reflection of A. So we started here at the line of reflection, we counted up 1, 2, 3, 4. Started here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, keep in mind if you need to pause or slow down anything, you can rewind, you can always go back. Once again, 2, reflection across the x-axis. I'm going to highlight the x-axis here. That's where we're going to be working with. Okay, that's our line of reflection. I'm going to go back. I'm going to count up 1, 2. So it's only 2 units away from the line of reflection this time. 1, 2. So I can count down. 1, 2. That's G prime. Okay. We can see both of these, if we folded along our line of reflection along the x-axis in both of these cases, we were to fold, G and G prime would land right on top of each other. A and A prime would land right on top of each other. 3, I'm going to go ahead and once again, reflection across the x-axis. Make this a little bit less thick. I'm going to go ahead and highlight this x-axis. However, this time you'll notice something a little bit unique. You see 2 of our points are on this line of reflection. When 2 points are on the line of reflection, they don't actually move. Okay? Say if you were to start here at the line of reflection and count one way or the other, you would count 0 spaces for G. So what we're going to do is we're going to make our new point, or G prime, excuse me. Our G wouldn't move. If we look at J, our J prime would not move either. Our C still would. We're going to start at the line of reflection. We're going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to call that C prime. I can connect from here and I have my reflection. Keep in mind, if I was to fold along this x-axis, if I was to fold the paper over, these shapes would line up exactly where they appear in the beginning. If I fold over this triangle right here, okay, I can color it in blue. This blue triangle right here would match up exactly with the green triangle. Okay, you fold it, they're going to match up. What I want you to do now is I want you to try 4 and 6. You do not have to do 5. Don't do 5. Okay, I want you to try 4 and 6 based on what we did here. Keep in mind, your line of reflection is always going to be this x-axis. Okay, start from the x, count to each point, label appropriately. Okay, if you have any questions, go back to the ones we did here. Okay, what I want you to do now is pause and try 4 and 6. Pause now. Okay, at this point you should have paused and you should have tried 4 and 6 on your own. I'm going to walk through 4. the line of reflection, the x-axis. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to count to my first point. Count up 1 to the y. So my y appears right here, y prime. I'll do the same thing with e. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, you can think of it just as a mirror image of what happened up here. Then A, I'm going to count 1, 2, it's 2 units away, 2 units away, be A prime, connect all my points. Now, while it's really sloppy, you can see if I was to fold along this middle line, this triangle here would match up with the triangle up here. 6. 6 is a little unique, just like the one earlier. There's one point that is already on that line of reflection. The point that's already on the line of reflection is A. So I'm going to make another point here. I'm going to call that A prime. Alright? We could even make it in green to show you that that point's going to stay there. I'll count H now. From the line of reflection, H is only 1 unit away. I'm going to make it 1 unit away here. Call that H prime. And P is only 1, 2, 3 units away here. So I'll make it 1, 2, 3 units away up here. Here's my reflection. So if I fold it over this middle, this triangle is going to match up perfectly with its new image. Good reflection, and that is it. If you have any questions, okay, review parts. If you did not get 4 right, make sure you go back, fix anything you need to. If you didn't get 6 right, if there's something here that you need to fix, make sure you go back and fix it. Okay, if you have any questions, now would be the time to raise your hand. At this point, you are done with the activity. Thank you.